Hello, hello Disney fam. I am Pauline, the mermaid in Mouse and Mermaid, and I am coming at you with my very first ever box swap. I just want to mention, guys, that I have a new setup today that I am trying out. I hope it's gonna work out. I have my table in front of me so I can spread things out. I have new shelves with some different merch on it. Feel like a real Disney YouTuber now. So the box swap that I participated in is called the Pumpkin Spice Box Swap. Right up my alley. We're doing fall and Halloween stuff, and it is tailored towards some preferences that you listed out. So in the swap, you're required to give 4+ items, and one of each item has to fall within the following categories. So the first thing is that you need to include a pin. It should be a limited edition or a fantasy. I think a limited release was allowed too. You need a small shop item. You need a treat, and ideally a fall snack. And then finally trick, which is kind of like a catch-all category where you can sort of put anything fun and fall or Halloween-y in the box. And my box arrived today, and normally I don't film during the week, but I just had to rip this thing open because I'm so excited. Before I unbox this, I also want to mention that there are a ton of other channels that participated in this swap. So I'm going to encourage you to go down into the description below and watch all of the videos so that you can see all the awesome stuff that everyone got, and also find out who I made a box for. And I got super lucky because Sarah from Savage Disney Pins made my box, and she was the creator of the box swap. So Sarah, I am so excited to see what you picked out for me. So first off, I have a warning to open it and not slice it. So I'm gonna try to do this carefully because it is taped very well. Oh my gosh. Okay, immediately I am so excited because there are fall foozles. I think that's what we call them, foozles. And leaves. Sarah, you need to like have a packaging company or something. Oh my gosh, and she has pumpkin washi tape. This is like stationary goals. Also, more amazing fall packaging. I love this. I don't know what it's like a fabric. It's beautiful. I feel like I would save this to make ears or something. So the first thing I'm gonna open up is a small shop item from Ever After Patti. All right, I'm gonna pull them up into the frame so just you guys can see them. Oh my gosh! They're Hocus Pocus ears! Oh my gosh, these are amazing. I'm speechless. So these ears feature the purple, maroon, and green colors that the girls wear in the film, and this bow is the book. Like, look at that leather detail with, she must have used like puffy paint or something on that. And then the eye, I just can't believe it. And even the headband itself is like a leather, and all of the components have leather wrapped around them. Okay, we had to make some adjustments so I could put these on. Oh my gosh, they just look so cute. I love them. Super Halloween-y. And I only have one other pair of Halloween ears, and I was really hoping to get another pair this year. So I'm so glad you got me these, Sarah. Sarah, I thought I did good with wrapping my box, but I totally didn't. Yours is insane. Look at this. More of this beautiful fabric here. And then it has this adorable little like Burberry bow. I literally want to make ears with like this fabric and this bow. So this is another trick. It is from a small shop called Hook and Anchor Design. I'm gonna show this one in the screen again. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so me. So it's the Sanderson sisters, but they look like they're on the cover of Vogue magazine. What, Sarah? I love this stuff you're getting me. Okay, I need to go to the Halloween party next year. It's official. So here's a little more close up. The Sanderson sisters are looking very stylish on the cover of Vogue. I don't know if I can go on. Like, this is so amazing. So look at this bow. I can't. So she says, for when you get too cold to drink pumpkin cold brew by me. It's like a little warmer for your coffee. So this is great for hot beverages. You have Mickey and Minnie here. Pull this out. They're on their little car ride. And same little car ride over here. This is gorgeous. I adore this. It is giving me all of the Runaway Railway vibes. So cute, Sarah. You did a fantastic job making it. Another adorable bow. Okay, I don't even think Sarah knows this, but I have been eyeing pins from the small shop Charmed and Cozy for a hot minute. So I don't know, I think I shared one on my Instagram story. Maybe she saw that, but I feel like it was too recent for her to be able to see that, then buy them, then do this box. Regardless, I cannot wait to see what pin you picked out for me because all of their pins are absolutely beautiful. I just love Charmed and Cozy. It looks like there's two of them. This box swap couldn't get any better, honestly. Sarah, please tell me you also didn't make these little adorable fall envelopes. Like, let me get the other one out. I just gotta show you guys. Okay, so this one is so cute. It has these like little fall leaves on it. And then this one, even more adorable. It's got pumpkin spice season, hello fall. Okay, let's open this. Even inside, so cute. So this one says Disney Dreams and Cozy Things. Let me show it to you up close. So this is a little banner and it actually has a little hidden pumpkin, and you know what, now that I think of it, I think it's the same pumpkin washi tape that she used in her card. I knew I recognized that pumpkin. It's so cute. Oh my god, Sarah, I was literally about to buy these. I am not even kidding you right now. This is the Small World attraction, and it is the clock with some of the Mary Blair design. So this pin just takes those pastel colors of the Small World attraction and swaps them out for fun fall colors in oranges, yellows, and browns. Sarah, these pins were right up my alley. There's just like more and more stuff in here. All right, this is another trick, and it is from small shop Arrowyn Rose. And I got a Sanderson Sisters mug. I drink a cup of coffee every single morning. So this will be perfect to add into my coffee cup rotation. And I really like the badge style of this mug. So it says Sanderson Sisters established 1693 Brewing Company. Little play on words there. Salem, Massachusetts. And it's premium witch's brew. Okay, there are two more things in here, Sarah. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about these. I actually have been eyeing these in the grocery store and just never pulled the trigger. So this is the treat, by the way. So I got the Smashmallow pumpkin pie flavor. I've had some of the other flavors of these and I've been wanting to try this seasonal flavor. Don't like pumpkin pie, but I love pumpkin. I don't know what it is, like actual pumpkin pie is not good. So let's try them out. Oh, Oh, it smells really good. Oh, it smells like, literally it smells like the pumpkin cream on the pumpkin cream cold brew. Do you know this, Sarah? She knows I like the pumpkin cream cold brew. So the little mallow has a little creamy color there, like a white stripe and then a cream stripe. These are good. I'm gonna have to hide these from Phil. Another treat. So this is the last thing, but you're insane, Sarah. Oh my gosh, I love this too. I have not seen these. So I have Werther Original Soft Caramels, and they are pumpkin spice flavored. These sound so good. We love the Werther shop in Germany and Epcot. So they come wrapped in a gold wrapper with a little bit of orange foil. Sorry, that took a hot minute to get the caramel out. These are amazing. They taste like a very traditional soft caramel. And when they say on the label, a touch of pumpkin spice towards the end of your treat experience, you get that hint of the pumpkin spice just for a moment. These are so good. Oh my gosh, guys, this was my first box swap, and I gotta tell you, I was so nervous. I was nervous about gifting, I was nervous about receiving, and this was insane. I can't believe it. Thank you so much, Sarah, for my incredible box. Incredible. And in the first place, for inviting me to do this swap. Thank you so much. When are we doing the next one? Please tell me. And all of you guys watching, if you want to go check out Sarah over at Savage Disney Pins, I think of all the small YouTubers out there, she has the most insane pin collection. So go check her out. It is just epic. So again, I want to remind you all that down below in the description, I'm going to put links to every single person's channel who participated in this swap, so you can see all the awesome pumpkin spice, fall, Halloween, and fun unboxings. And I will also put down below the small shops that were included in this swap so that you can check out if you liked any of the items that I received today. Finally, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me, what was your favorite thing that I got in this pumpkin spice box swap? And as always, if you enjoyed this content and want to check out more of the videos that we make, we do weekly vlogs, we do in-park videos, and lots of unboxings, pin hauls, all kinds of fun Disney stuff. You need to give us a subscribe. We would love to have you part of the Mouse and Mermaid family. Until next time, guys, peace, love, and Kwaherini.